Hello cat, write A, B, C, D. Red color. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. G for goat. A B C D E F G. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. J for juice. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. H I J K L M N. O for octopus. O for octopus. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for swan. S for swan. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. O P Q R S T U. V for violin. V for violin. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. V W X Y Z. Okay kids, bye.